Numinous, what happened? This is 1 a.m. already. You are still awake. Aren't you sleeping today? You left me alone sleeping on bed since. What's the problem? It's my grandmother. Oh. Yesterday morning she told me that this night she will go on a serious prayer. That every day they are packing her hen and turkeys inside the cage. That yesterday also our biggest turkey was missing. Last week our hen was stolen. That she will pray anybody that is picking it will die. That's why it's just too hard for me to sleep. Oh. Then how does that concern you, Numinous? Or are you the hiding thief? No, yeah, just pity the person that is carrying it so that you will not go and die. Maybe if there's a way we can beg grandma to stop the prayer and leave everything for God.
Please subscribe to our channel, please. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. It helps you to get notified the moment we drop our videos. Subscribing to our channel is the only way we can know you love our videos. And don't forget to comment, share, and like. We love you all.